Hey guys, let's see how to change the Wi-Fi on a Tapo C310 or any other Tapo camera. It's super simple. Let's say you're moving to a new location and you have a new router and you just need to change the Wi-Fi, but you don't want to lose the configuration, okay? So if you just come here to this menu, down here you have the option to remove the camera. That's going to wipe out all the configuration. It's going to completely reset the camera, so don't do that if you just want to change the Wi-Fi, okay? You just need to come to the camera and physically reset the camera, but it's a partial reset. So you just open here this cover. There are two screws here that you just need to open using a screwdriver. It's a small one here. And then you're gonna find the reset button. It's a small reset button just right here. You see that just need to use a paper clip to push it. Super small. Okay, so just pay attention to this. You just observe the LED here. It's green right now because the camera is working. And then when you are resetting the camera, you're gonna see this flashing slowly, right? If it flashes pretty fast, that means the camera is being completely reset. And you don't want that, right? So you just need to press here and hold for 5 seconds. If it gets to 10 seconds is going to completely reset. So you just don't want this. Let me just press here, hold and observe here and count to 5, right? So super simple. I'm gonna press here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that's flashing slowly. So the camera is going to be reset. And now it's flashing red and green. So the camera is ready for the setup again. And it's partially reset, right? So let me just close this. Then we can continue. There we go. So I just put the camera back here. And now I'll start over. You see that the camera is flashing here, red and green. I come back here to the main screen. And then I just ignore this. Sometimes it just disappears from here. And you come here and start the process all over again. So I just tap here to add a new device. Then I look for outdoor camera, Tapo C310, wireless, and then it's flashing, so I'm good to go. Now I just need to connect to the camera signal. So you just come here to your Wi-Fi and your cell phone is going to connect directly to the camera. So just look here for Tapo Cam something. That's the one here. Sometimes it starts like changing location, so just be careful with this. Tap on it, you see that it connects. Then it just come back here. Wait for it to show that it's connected to the cell phone. It's a nice animation. And here you see pre-configured device. That's what you want, right? You just keep existing settings. There we go. Here's the Wi-Fi. Now you can just reselect here and find any device that you want here, any router available. So it's in the new location, you just find the router and you just insert the password and you're good to go. Just hit next, confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. We got the message about the Wi-Fi connected and the camera got the green LED here, which means it's good. It's connecting directly to the Wi-Fi. There we go. It's complete and sounds good. I'll just hit here and I can just put the camera back there and continue. Here I just skipped this 30-day trial. Got it. Here's my Tapo hub that I have the network. I'll just do this later. Here's the SD card and the camera is good to go. At first it shows as offline, then goes online. I just hit here and it's working. Okay. Basically now I'm using the new Wi-Fi. I can just come here and just check that's using the new Wi-Fi, right? Super simple. Basically that's the way you can have your Tapo C310 connecting to the new Wi-Fi without resetting completely the camera, okay? It's a partial reset, allows you to switch to a new Wi-Fi. and it works with any Tapo camera as well, right? So I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.